So, in our classroom we have boys and girls. Are you a boy?
Nope.
Oh, what are you?
I am a girl.
Oh, so you're a she.
She.
Are you a boy or girl?
Yes, I am a boy.
So you're a he.
I'm a he.
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 She, he. Are you a boy or girl?
I'm a girl.
So she's a
She.
She.
She. Are you a boy or girl?
I'm a boy.
So you're a
He.
he. She, he, she, he. Okay, let's put the she here. 1, 2, 3. She. He. Separate. She, he. Wait. Now.
He.
Repeat. She.
She.
We. He. All together. We. So, in a classroom, we have loads of different areas where we can hide. So you can tell the kids, go behind the desk, go next to the door, and have all the kids come back together so that we can say we all together.